Just imagine that you have the bunch of the data with different type of the signs that manually edit as the text or formatted. The question is, how to replace in my case the dollar signs or any symbols in Excel. I have two very fast tricks, let's go! As you can see in the formatted currency, the text was formatted as the currency. But in the saved text, the dollar was added manually. In the beginning, we just wanna change the formatted currency. You have to select the three cells, right click of the mouse, format cells, and instead of the currency, we are going to select numbers. You can also cancel or add decimals as you want. Immediately we got our result. In case of the saved text, we just select three cells, we go to the Find and Select, click on the Replace, by the Find What, write the dollar, and by the Replace, just leave empty space. Click OK, and just in 1 second we got our result. Guys, help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.